Welcome to Madison Head Start. You will be dropping off at the side gate and can park on 22nd, Jefferson, or Madison. You will come to the gate and someone will be there to unlock it for you. You will be entering our classroom through the second door on the portable. This is our family advocate, Rosario, and our center supervisor, Tiffany. This is our teaching staff. For the AM, we have teacher Chelsea and assistant teacher Trish, and for the PM, teacher Maria and assistant teacher Jamie. Here is the ramp on the other side of the classroom that leads up to the classroom from the play area. Here is our outside play area. In our classroom, we have our cubbies where each child can store their personal belongings. This is our family tree full of family photos. Here is our safe space. This is our library and listening area. Our writing center will be available. We have a dramatic play area for pretend play. This is our building and block area. Here's our art center full of art supplies. These are our 2 tables where we will be eating all of our meals. These are our sign-in books where you will sign your child in and out. In our sign-in books, you will find our volunteer sign-up sheets. This is our child protection unit. It goes over ways to stay safe at home and school. Second step is our social emotional curriculum, where we use songs, puppets, and social stories to build children's social emotional skills. Some topics we will be focusing on are identifying feelings and problem solving. We use research-based curriculum to support our students' development. We can't wait to have you in our class this year.